Castle. Woo! I'm a bad man. I'm a Spider-Man.
I'm Spider-Man.
I'm a Spider-Man. I'm a shaky man. I'm a Spider-Man. I'm a dancing man.
I'm just man. Spider-Man.
Woo! Check out those moves, Jakey. Yeah. You're a national born dancer, huh? With a guitar.
Yeah. Hi. Sit down, Saya. Sit down.
Put it down?
Sit down.
Okay.
Sit down.
Sounds like there's toys in there.
Oh, baby hat.
Woo!
Woo!
That's right. And the moral of the story, appreciate what you've got, because basically, I'm fantastic.
You like that? Oh, I got your head.
I got your head.
Got your head.
I got your head.
There's your chair. Hi, my name is Jakey.
I'm named Jakey.
How old are you?
2.
Who is your mom?
Where's my mom though?
Where is your mom?
Right here.
She's at school. Where's Brian?
I know.
He's at work.
She works.
Yeah?
Look.
Who's this?
I know. Wire.